How to download Oculus app on PC. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is just to go ahead and pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then just head directly to your search bar and simply type in Oculus app download. Now you're going to see a lot of results gonna be here, but all you have to do is to choose on in which you will be redirected to Oculus.com's official site deep link. So just simply click on continue dash Oculus and you will be redirected here. So all you have to do from here is just directly click on download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, please do make sure that you will be installing it without any problems. So that's it. That's how you download Oculus app on your PC.